Hey everyone, today I've got a quick Google Docs tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to insert a hyperlink in your Google Docs document. It's really quite simple to set up. This will allow you to have text that you click on, which gives you a link to whatever website you choose. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So the first thing we need to do is select where we would like our link to go. You can see my cursor's up here. I'd like the link to be underneath, so we're going to go ahead and click there. So the cursor's there. Now there's two ways to get to the hyperlink section. The first would be the shortcut here. You can see there's a little chain link right here. When you hover over that, it says insert link, or the shortcut is Control K. So you could go ahead and click on that and that'll give you the pop-up box. The second method is to go to insert and go down to link here. And again, the shortcut Control K. They'll both open up the same thing. We can go ahead and add what text we would like our shortcut to say. So let's do my website, for example. So Northern Biking Every Day. And then right below that, it says search or paste a link. So we're going to go ahead and click there. Now I'm going to find the website I would like to put in there. So my website, northernbikingeveryday.com. And you can see my website's here. We're just going to highlight the website and I'm going to copy that. So I'll right click on it, not left click, but right click. And you'll see the copy option here. And the shortcut for that is Control C. So we'll copy that. We'll go back here and we'll paste that link in here. So we'll click in here. Again, we can right click and do paste, or the shortcut again is Control V. So we'll paste that in there. And then once you've got that in there, we'll just go ahead and hit apply and it creates that link right in here. So we can go ahead and left click on that. It'll give us our link. We can left click on that again and it'll open up that. And really it's that simple to insert hyperlinks in your Google Docs document.